So writing your first hello world program in C#. So first we're going to say using system, and using system basically means you want to go on and import many commonly used classes, so classes that are available in C#. So C# has a lot of classes and methods, as you would imagine. So this line over here is saying to C# go on and import all these classes and methods so that we can use it in our application. So next we define a namespace. So a namespace basically is just a way for us to organize our code into groups, just as you're going to have on your system, on your hard drive. So we are going to be able to group our application, and we can call this a hello world app, not name of. We are going to be using namespace like this. And namespace is a reserved keyword in C#, okay? But this hello world app that we have over here, this is particularly up to us. And now we define a namespace by using this curly bracket, and any code we write inside here is going to be grouped into this our hello world app namespace. Now let's go on and define a class. So we have a class that we call program like this, and also we need curly brace for the block. So we define a class and we call this program. Now what is a class? A class basically is a representation of how data looks like in our code. More on that later, but in this case we just have a class, and this is the name of the class. So the convention is to start with an uppercase, just as we have over here, also a uppercase H. And inside here we write the code that belongs to this class. So in this case we are going to define a method. So we're going to define a static method, and here we write void. I'm going to explain. And then we have main, and we have string, and after string we have an array, and then we have args like this, and then we have another block. So we have the static keyword, we have the void keyword, we have main, and then we have this argument over here. And what does it mean? So this static keyword declares that we have a method. So this static is we have a static method, and void means this method. So this main method over here returns nothing. And inside here we have this string, array, and arg. So what this means is that it's just an array of arguments from the command line that can be passed to this main function. And basically this main method over here is the entry point to our application. So to this class program we have this main entry point, and inside here we write the code that we want to be executed. And here we want to write to the file. So we can go with console not log, so console.WriteLine, and inside here we write the code. So we want to print to the command line, and in this case we are going to print the world hello world like this. And very much important, we close this line with a semicolon like this. So what does this mean? We have this console, and this console is available to us because of the system that we import. So it could obviously be system.console.WriteLine, but because we import this system over here, which gives us access to classes and methods that we can call, which are available in C#, there's no need for us to write system over here. And then we can just go with console.WriteLine, and then we print the word hello world. So in order for us to execute this program, we are going to click on this play button over here. So this is going to run our project, and once we click, we see that our project is going to build. And in order for us to see what we have on the terminal, we come to this terminal section over here. You can go on to pin, so click here and it's going to pin, and you see the word hello world. So this is what is going on. So in the latest version of C#, you wouldn't have to write all of these, so you can just cut this. And over here you can just write this console.WriteLine hello world, and if you go on to run the program again, it's going to build, and you see your terminal, you see the text hello world. So this is it. I'll see you.